time ever, we bring you the world-leading 10-time lossless zoom technology. Okay, so firstly, let's take a look at these photos. So, the left one is from ultra-wide angle. If you zoom in 10 times, you get the right one. It's amazing, right?
Oppo.
The entire module includes a 14.8 megapixel high-range main camera and a 120-degree ultra-wide lens angle and a telephoto lens, which are responsible for different focal lengths, design and plan spec. So traditionally, we know to achieve 10 times zoom, the lens module would be 15 millimeters thick, right? Eventually, we solved that difficulty by using a periscopic module. So, in the surface, we place our originally upright structure lens to one side in a horizontal layout. Then, we used a unique prism to reflect light into our lens system for image formation, which significantly reduces the thickness of the lens. So, users can immerse themselves in the joy it brings and move one step closer to this wonderful and beautiful world.
Oppo.